Hello guys, I am a student from Amartha College. This video is especially made for Amartha students, that too in Computer Science department in Coimbatore campus. Now I would be covering each and every course in Sem 4, telling you guys what you need to do to get pass mark or ace the paper, and I will tell you guys what will happen in each and every course and so on. So guys, now we'll be talking about the course called DSA, that is Data Structures and Algorithm. So this is one of the course which contains both easy as well as tough concepts in it. So for this course, I recommend you guys to use Java T Point as a reference, Java T Point website as a reference. So in this website, for this course, you need to know some prerequisite knowledge such as concepts thoroughly on array, linked list, stack, and queue. So these are the prerequisite knowledge that you need to know thoroughly. And the other concepts which are very tough are like tree, graph, and search and sorting. In sorting, we have to read or understand all the concept, and also we have to be in thorough in programming. So in the DS sorting list given in the website Java T Point, you guys should not study comb sort, and also from the sort shell sort to dim sort. So from all those six sorting techniques you should not study. Other than this, you have to study everything. And also we will have a group project in this. So for group projects, will be our professors will give us RTOS code where we have to understand the code and write a report on it. So there will actually be two projects given. One is the RTOS project, which is a free open source code which is also available in the internet. You can just search it if you want. And also other one is like giving a hybrid version of two data structures, combining it and giving it to us. So we have to find its time complexity, space complexity, understand how it works, and we have to uh, give an example of how useful, real life examples, and how useful it will be in our society. So for trees, I can say you to watch Jenny lecture videos. Jenny lecture CSIT. It's the YouTube channel that I were guys referring you to watch it for tree, and yeah, for trees. So here we could see the 3.12 expression trees, and also 5.5 binary tree, 5.6, 5.8, 5.7, 5.9, and also specifying you guys to watch 5.13 and 5.14, which is a very important concept in the course DSA.